Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to do a quick Tesla Model Y order update video. So last video my range was from like April 22nd to I think it was May 5th. May 5th was my window. And so I was kind of waiting until like the 21st, 22nd to really keep checking again. But yesterday, which was the 20th, so April 20th, my time frame updated again. And so now it's pushed to I'll show a screenshot. I think it's like the 29th of April to the 17th of May, or the something like that, guys. It got pushed out again. I kind of got excited thinking because my window, narrowed by a little bit that it was getting close. And lo and behold, Tesla kind of comes through and disappoints again in that they're pushing it out again. I just keep getting these like week or two changes in the date. They just bump it out a couple weeks, bump it out a couple weeks. Just, if it's going to be October of this year, just tell me October. Don't tease me with these dates and then don't have any intentions of even delivering the vehicle to me until later this year. Like I said in previous videos, I ordered my vehicle August 2021. We're now April. Today's April 21st, 2022, and I haven't seen it. I just keep getting these like teaser dates, like, oh, hey, it's going to be delivered in a couple weeks, and then that time frame, I get to right at the first of that time frame and it just gets bumped out again. I've even heard, thanks everyone for leaving comments of your dates, because it's helpful for all of us to kind of know when these things are getting delivered. So a couple things I want to just share, or at least talk about, because this is from a lot of the comments. People are saying that the only Model Ys that are going to get delivered from Texas are the new standard range Model Ys, which I think is very strange. And here's the reason why, is because I put my order for a long range in August, and many of you guys have been waiting as long as I have, and even for a performance model. And if someone can order now, the standard range isn't available to order right now as of today. Today's the 21st of April. So if the standard range isn't even available to order yet, and that's all they're going to be building in Texas, and they're ramping up production there, well, that means someone that orders their standard range like right away is going to get theirs sooner than I'm going to get mine that I ordered 8 months ago, almost 9 months ago. So I think it's kind of unfair the way Tesla is treating us who have ordered especially like the long range versions, and we've locked in prices which is much lower, $10,000 lower than the long range is now. So I really feel like Tesla is discriminating against us, because they'd rather deliver the higher, more profitable cars, the ones that have the $12,000 full self-driving. When I ordered, it was a $10,000 option, which I did not add. I do not see the value in adding that option, so I did not option it for that. I didn't do full self-driving. I didn't do performance, and so I'm kind of like, my order is not looked at as very important, it seems like, from Tesla's standpoint. So the fact that my car is still going to come from Fremont, the Fremont factory in California, that's fine. It's still going to be a good car, even though it doesn't have the 4680. I think the 4680 battery cells that we keep hearing about, I think the advantage is to Tesla cutting costs and using less materials in the structural battery pack and using less cells in the battery for these standard range vehicles. I don't think we're going to see that much of an improvement, or it's not going to be that big of a deal if you get one delivered from Fremont versus Texas in 2022. I don't think it's that big of a deal. With that being said, I would gladly take my vehicle right now. I really need and or want my Tesla Model Y that I ordered back in August, and I keep getting screwed around. Some people have indicated their orders are getting pushed out to end of this year, into 2023, that have ordered like end of 21 or the first of 22. I mean, it just seems like, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to wait a year for this car. I ordered in August, like I said. I'm probably not gonna get it until August of 22, if at all. It's almost like Tesla wants me to cancel. Like, hey, let's keep messing with this guy. That's what it feels like. They just keep messing with me, in that they tease me with these dates, and the dates come and I keep getting pushed back. Like, there's really no end in sight. I have even called the Tesla customer service number several times now, and I'm like, hey, I want the car. And the last call was, hey, I want the car, what's going on? Why does it keep getting pushed back? And the guy's like, oh, hey, well, yeah, I mean, since your date's close, you're probably going to get it. Well, no, it didn't happen. So the customer service number that you can call is not helpful at all. They know less than what I know. You know, they're like, yeah, all we can see is the dates. We know nothing else. So, you know, I mean, that's kind of the update is, you know, I've got pushed out again, end of April till end of May, and I'm not expecting it then either. I'm really not. It's almost like a game that they're playing, and it's not a very fun game for me. But I just wish, I just wish if it was going to be the end of the year, just tell me to stop stringing me along with these teaser dates. I don't see like why the dates get close and then why they change. Like, obviously it's close because they might think they can deliver the vehicle to me, but then when it gets close, it's like, oh yeah, we can't, and so we're going to change the date again. I've locked in a price which is much lower than what if you order today. So it almost seems like, I don't know if Tesla, you know, is going to come through with the order. I really have very, very little faith in what they've been doing. The fact that they've been toying with me for so long, I would probably say my dates have changed 3 or 4 times per month for the last 5 or 6 months, and that's not an exaggeration. You know, if it's changed 3 times, I mean that's almost 15 times it's changed, which is crazy. And when you have a vehicle, like some people have commented where they've traded or sold their vehicle because they thought they were getting their car, and then they get delayed another couple months. You know, when you're trying to time a vehicle, buying a new vehicle, and if you have an existing vehicle you're trying to get rid of, I mean, it's like, have a little more courtesy to people. When, you know, having a vehicle is, for a lot of people, is a necessity, day-to-day item that you need to like get to work with and run errands with. You know, I don't know. I'm just frustrated. I know you guys are frustrated. I'm frustrated. It doesn't seem like there's any kind of end in sight. So this is just kind of my rambling about my frustration with Tesla. You know, am I excited to get the car? Honestly, the excitement is kind of really worn off. I was really hoping to get it this last window range, and it hasn't. And so I feel like I'm on a treadmill, on a perpetual treadmill that's never going to end. I'm never going to get to the finish line because, you know, they keep delaying. And yeah, if you order a long range or a performance now with the $12,000 full self-driving, you have priority, which kind of sucks for me, for us that have ordered long ranges a while ago. So anyways, guys, that's the update. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave down in the comments below your situation, because it's helpful for all of us to know what each other's situation and dates are, because that's the only way we can really know what's going on, because Tesla can't provide us any information. We know that. We know that now. So subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.